Yeah, he wants more.
No?
Say, what do you think?
Good? Okay.
He's mad.
Oh, you don't want no more? I don't know what you want now. Yeah.
Let's see, what is that?
We're done.
Well, he already took half of this one, too. It's 5 more. Almost 5 more.
Yeah.
He might need to burp by now.
Huh?
He might need to burp now.
I know, I don't know how to do it.
You don't know how to do it? Here. Here, pick that.
Did you take the rest of it?
He took, like,
he just burped
he did
pretty
burp.
good.
That's what he needed. He took, like, almost half. Well, he took almost half of that, and he just, but he needed to burp, so I think he'll probably finish this. Doing good.
We're done. Let me.
I'm so excited. Is that, what is that, just walked by here? Oh, look like my brother. Look, I forgot I'm sitting here videoing. But at least we got his little birthday on there, huh?
Need to get that air out of there so you can put some more down.
Yep. I guess you figured out how to burp him, didn't you? I didn't even have time to show you anything. You just went bloop.
Yeah? What do you think, kiddo?
That was good. I'm so glad he burped too. I thought that was going to be tough. He's getting so big, so fast. He's a
I'm
big
just
bird.
knocking it out of my hand and everything here. Hold on.
Look at his little feet. They're going crazy. He's sticking them out. Oh my goodness, that's the second one in a row and it's gone. Got a drop left. You want the drop? He probably can't burp again. He ain't had much. I think that was the other bottle and the bottle before.
Here, hold that for a second. I don't know what to do.
He's got like one drop left in here. It's enough to maybe satisfy him a little. Just make sure I don't get no air in
You're still
it.
hungry after that.
Yeah, well, let's see what she says. I'm kind of afraid to give him a whole bunch too, where he thinks he's hungry and then I'll wait to get sick and then he's got to start all over again.
And then I know you're telling me not to burp him and it's scaring me and I don't know what to do. I want to do burp, I know.
What? You did it good. That's what I
I know,
said.
so I'm saying, I don't know if I'm supposed to burp him again or what.
No, no, not yet. That was from like probably this bottle. It's kind of hard right now to tell how to burp him. I don't even really know because there's only a little teeny bit at a time he's getting. But I figured since he was fussing.
Hungry.
Yeah. You kind of just gotta try to figure out when they need to burp.
Okay.
I mean, usually they say every half ounce or I don't even remember anymore. It's been so long. I just kind of watch them when they look like they're getting a little gassy or something and burping. But it usually takes a little bit more than this because he's getting little small doses. Huh. See, but I'd already had like 3 servings of this, so I kind of figured
So I
it
would
needed to
say
burp.
just take down 10.
10, it
and
took
then
20 now. But this one and the other one, it's 20 altogether.
so 20 is only
10 milliliters.
that much.
Yeah. It's about how much probably he'll burp. But if he didn't burp like the bottle before, sometimes you just give him a little bit. And I'm like, yeah.
Oh, good. Okay.
Sucked it straight down.
That's great.
He's doing so good. I keep forgetting I got the video camera on. Oh well, at least I got it all on there, didn't I? Yes, I did.
He looks like he's still hungry.
He is still hungry. He's not getting a whole lot.
I'm sorry.
just
That's all
can't.
they'll let me do.
I
I know. Look at him. He's
Gotta
like
wait to
attacking my hand. I
What's
give
the
me
matter?
the
What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Here's your puppy. Here's your Oh, what's the matter? You don't want this. She's like done with this now. Say this old thing ain't got nothing coming out of it, huh? You don't like it anymore. I can't even keep my pants on.
Well, sit down, rest your feet.
I'm gonna go